You can imagine if you were floating near two black holes that collided. As they orbit, space-time begins to ring in response. They're like mallets on a drum. The drum is space-time itself. It begins to ring. Gravitational waves, squeezing and stretching space. In principle, they would pluck your eardrum. You would hear them, even though it's empty space. Gravitational waves are actually like a sound in the medium of space-time. And that was the greatest discovery of 2015. The experiment LIGO recorded the collision of two completely dark black holes. The final 1/5 of a second before the black holes merged and went quiet as a bigger black hole. And that's stunning. The only evidence we've had for black holes before then was what they do to their environment. Gravitational waves are so quiet by the time that they reach the Earth. The experiments only pick up the final few orbits. To dig deeper and hear the approach, my group has been doing approximations of the final several minutes. Listening to the longer run-up, we can tell if the black holes had a more interesting dynamic, if it was a more complicated motion. So in this case, not only are the black holes different masses, not only are they on a more complicated orbit, but they're also spinning. The system begins to rotate in space. And you can hear it get quieter as the gravitational waves are beamed away from you and louder as they're beamed to you. And so these are all details we can extract from the gravitational wave sound just by listening. And then they get louder, faster, right before they merge. And then it goes quiet as one big black hole.